Hello students, this is Fanny. Welcome to this English pronunciation video. And in today's video, I'm going to focus on two different vowel sounds in English, O and O. Let's take two example words. The first example word is hop. Can you hear the O sound? Hop. The second word is hope. The sound is O. Can you hear it? Hope. So hop and hope. I know they sound very similar, but if you practice with me, I promise by the end of this video, you will hear and pronounce them correctly. So keep watching. Get ready, guys. I'm going to help you make these sounds O and O in English. I want you to hear the difference and to be able to pronounce them correctly. Don't forget, it's important to know the IPA spelling. Watch how I move my mouth and try to repeat after me. I know you can do this, so let's get started. Let's first learn how to make the sound O. So when you produce this sound, your mouth is round, your tongue is very low in your mouth, and it's a very short sound. O. Repeat after me. O. 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 Let's practice saying the word hop. Repeat after me. Hop. 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 Now with the sound O, the sound O is a diphthong, so it's actually two vowel sounds. O. And as you can see, when I say it, my mouth is round, it moves, and it gets smaller. O. Repeat after me. O. 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 Let's practice with the word hope. Repeat after me. Hope. 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 Good, guys. Let's now use minimal pairs, words that are extremely similar but different vowel sounds. They're a very good way to practice. First, let's practice only the sounds. Repeat after me and watch how my mouth moves. O. 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 Let's practice with two words, hop and hope. Again, repeat after me. Hop. 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 Hope. 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 Hop. Hope. Hop. Hope. Hop. Hope. Great job. Okay guys, let's now read minimal pairs together. I want you to repeat after me and don't forget to watch my mouth, how it moves. Let's get started. Block. Bloke. Blot. Bloat. Bod. Bode. Bond. Boned. Bossed. Boast. Clock. Cloak. Cod. Code. Cop. Cope. Con. cone, cost, coast, dos, dose, dot, dote, god, goad, jock, joke, lob, lobe, mod, mode, mop, mope, malt, moat, nod, node, non, known, not, note, odd, ode, pop, pope, rob, robe, rod, road, rot, wrote, shod, showed, slop, slope, smock, smoke, sock, soak, sod, sewed, sop, soap, stock, stoke, Todd, toad, tossed, toast, tot, tote, want, won't, walk, woke. Amazing, guys. Let's move on. Okay, guys, let's practice further. I'm going to show you some words. I want you to read them, but be careful, use the proper English vowel sound. Is it O or is it O? Let's get to it. Let's start with the first word. Is it jock or joke? Which one is it? Joke. Next word. Clock or cloak? Clock. Next word. Cost or coast? Coast. Next word. Rob or robe? Rob. Next word. Want or won't? Want. Good. The following word. Rob or robe? Robe in this case. Next word. Cost or coast? It's cost. Next word. Clock or cloak? Cloak. Next word. Jock or joke? It's jock. And finally, want or won't? Won't. Very good. Awesome, guys. Let's move on. Okay, guys, let's now practice with sentences containing O and O English vowel sounds. Pay attention and repeat after me. First sentence. Rob wrote an odd note. Second sentence. We won't joke about Todd's bod. And finally, we don't want a cop on that road. Amazing, students! Let's move on. I know you now have a better understanding of the English vowel sounds O and O. Now keep practicing. It takes a lot of speaking, a lot of listening, a lot of time to really master these vowel sounds. But you can do it. Also, make sure you watch the rest of my pronunciation videos. Very important if you want to master the English language. See you next time.